This video is your ultimate guide to Disney World in 2024. Disney World has become pretty overwhelming with having to learn how to get in the virtual queue, what are lightning lanes, how to modify your lightning lanes, do I need a magic band, and what the heck is rope drop? And if you've never been to Disney before, it can feel downright exhausting to plan a trip. By the end of this video, you're gonna have a complete guide on how to do Disney in 2024 so that you can have the most stress-free Disney experience possible. In the last 7 years, I've been to Disney World literally thousands of times, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you everything you need to know about Disney World. But first, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you're excited to go to Disney, I upload all of the time about the latest Disney news, so you don't want to miss out on one of my videos. For starters, here are 3 things that you need to know how to do in order for your vacation to run smoothly. You need to know how to use the My Disney Experience app. Absolutely everything that you do for your Disney vacation is going to happen inside this app. Booking your virtual queues, making dining reservations, mobile ordering food, booking your lightning lanes, checking wait times, finding entertainment and character meet and greets. Literally everything is going to happen inside the My Disney Experience app. The great news is you can download this ahead of time and learn how to use it way before your vacation ever gets here. You can check wait times, practice mobile ordering food, check character meet and greet hours, review the park map, and learn your way around the park. You can even see what time the fireworks pop off from the comfort of your couch. I always loved playing in the My Disney Experience app before my trip. It gave me that little taste of magic before I got there. But understanding and being familiar with this app is going to save you so much time and so much stress on your next Disney vacation. Next up, you need to know how to link your tickets and the rest of your party. When you purchase your tickets and book your resort, then you need to link the reservation to your My Disney Experience account because it doesn't always happen automatically. Whether you book with your travel agent or directly through Disney, you'll receive a reservation confirmation number. Once you have that information, you can either link directly on the Disney World website under My Disney Experience or on your My Disney Experience app under Link Account. You're also going to want to link everyone in your party. If it's just you and your significant other, your kids, your immediate family going, and you purchased all the tickets together, you're already linked. If you're going with other family members or friends, you're gonna need to link your account to the planner for the other family so that you can schedule your virtual queues and your lightning lanes and all of your reservations at the same time. You're gonna do this in the same 2 places, either on the Disney World website or in your My Disney Experience app under Friends and Family. And remember, you can do all of this ahead of time. The minute everyone is booked and you have those reservations, you can get all of these housekeeping items set up ahead of time so you don't have to worry about it once you're on your vacation. Up next, you gotta know what Genie Plus is and how to use it. Genie Plus is the system that replaced Fast Passes. It's the service you buy in order to skip the standby line so you don't have to wait for hours to ride your favorite rides. I'm gonna give you a little overview on how it works. You purchase Genie Plus per person per day. The price is gonna vary depending on the day and how busy the park is projected to be. Once you purchase this service, you're gonna book your lightning lanes through the My Disney Experience app, and then you'll be able to enter the ride with a much shorter wait time. Disney sets your expectations and says you'll get about 3 lightning lanes per day, but we've experimented with Genie Plus a lot, and you can usually get between 10 and 13 attractions booked per day. You also want to learn how to modify these lightning lanes. If you're running late or plans change or you got stuck on another ride and you're about to miss your window to return to your lightning lane for another attraction, you can actually modify it so you don't miss out. Understanding how to use this Genie Plus service is going to be crucial in having a stress-free Disney vacation. But that's not all you're going to want to know how to do. Make sure you don't skip out on learning about magic bands. Learning whether you need magic bands or not could save you a lot of money. The short answer is you don't have to have them. A magic band is going to house your ticket. It's going to allow you to tap into the park, your virtual queues, and your lightning lanes. You can also unlock your resort and charge things back to your room if you're staying on Disney property. So it just makes it very convenient. But you don't actually have to have one. You can do all of these exact same things in other ways that are completely free. On your first park day visit, you can stop by Will Call in the morning and get a physical ticket. It basically looks like a little credit card or a gift card. You could also download your ticket to your Apple Pay or your Google Wallet through the My Magic mobile section on your My Disney Experience app. And you can house everyone in your family's tickets on your phone. And either of these options is going to allow you all of the same access. There are some additional things that you can do with Magic Band Plus around the parks. You can play different games, you can interact with the statues, they light up on different rides and during the fireworks, but depending on the size of your family, the expense for these could add up pretty quickly. There are 2 additional things that you need to know how to do. The last one by far is the most important if you want to have a stress-free Disney vacation. You must learn how to get into the virtual queues. Virtual queue is how you're going to get a spot in line to ride Tron at the Magic Kingdom and Cosmic Rewind over in Epcot. If you don't get the virtual queue, you will not get to ride these rides. You cannot just walk up and get in a standby line and wait to ride. Again, you must secure a spot through the My Disney Experience app by entering those virtual queues. There are 2 chances every day to join the virtual queue. One is at 7 a.m. and the other is at 1 p.m. From your My Disney Experience app, you're going to select Join Virtual Queue, confirm everyone in your party who wants to ride the attraction, and then it's a waiting game to join that virtual queue and hope that you get a spot. But honestly, there's a lot more to this process, and I'll explain in just a minute. Once you've secured that spot in the virtual queue, you'll be given a boarding number and a tentative callback time, and that's just to give you an idea of when your party is going to be called back to the ride. You can go about your day, enjoy other rides. Once your boarding group is called, you'll get a notification on your My Disney Experience app, and you'll be given an hour window to return to the attraction. When you return to the attraction, you'll actually be waiting in a standby line till it's your turn to ride. You could also purchase what's called an individual lightning lane for these 2 rides, and that is a completely separate purchase from your Genie Plus, by the way. I know, it's a lot. That's what I'm here for. Now, the last and most important thing is you have to have a strategy for each park. You are spending thousands of dollars to come on this vacation. You really don't want to just wing it. Understanding what time you can get into the parks if you're a resort guest versus a non-resort guest is crucial. Learning what time the rides open to you and which rides you can get on early is going to be the difference in you having a smooth morning or a stressful one. And it could also be the difference in you waiting 10 minutes to get on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train or an hour and a half. There is so much to see and do when you're at Disney World, and time goes by so quickly, so you want to make the most of it. Also, knowing which park you need Genie Plus for and which ones you don't is really crucial and could save you a lot of money. But you definitely can't go without Genie Plus unless you have a strategy. Now that you have the ultimate guide to your next Disney vacation in 2024, you should watch this next video to learn how to do everything I just laid out for you. I'll tell you how to use the My Disney Experience app, show you how Genie Plus works in real time, and so much more. I'll see you over there.